Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, this time around I'm doing a product review on some bone conduction headphones, and I would like to thank the folks at ALOVA for sending these out. And as you can see, it's a very impressive looking box, especially with the lady on here. So you know what, let's get at it. Well, alright folks, we're at the part of the video we're going to unbox this, so let's go and do this. Alright, as I said earlier, this is a very impressive looking box, especially with the words. I mean, it's nice. It's got some details on it, tell you something about the headphones, so that's nice. Alright, so let's see what's inside. I think, let me see how to open it first. Just gonna look around. Oh, I think I pushed this out. Okay, oh, there we go. Alright, so we can open it up like this. Okay. So, first of all, very nice packaging, as you notice. So that's cool. Alright. Alright, so I guess the next way to okay, it's a little tab here I gotta get to open it. There we go. Take that off. Alright. And these are the headphones themselves right here. Nice. Very nice. It's got a nice feel to it. It's light. And it's just very impressive. Nice little buttons on here. We're definitely going to try all these features out. Looks like it's got several buttons on this side. So, well, okay. Very nice. So, let's see what else is inside this packaging. Alright. That's what it's sitting on. Okay. Well, these headphones are definitely rechargeable. So here's the USB plug you can plug into the headphones themselves. Let me see if we can find where we can plug it up at. Okay, let's just look around. I know I just saw it. Yeah, right there. Yep. That's where you plug them up at to get the recharge. Okay, that's it right there. I know I saw it. Alright, I'm going to put this over here. But this is the plug so you can recharge the headphones. Just plug this into any 5-volt adapter that you have that has a USB port on it, and you can recharge these. So that's cool. Alright. And oh, well, that's interesting. I believe these are earplugs. Well, that's curious. We're going to find out more about this. Alright. And, oh, this is the manual. Alright. We're definitely going to read up more about this. Oh, that's how it works. This is basically a diagram of how these headphones work on your ear. Oh, that's interesting. Principles of bone conduction. I'm definitely going to be reading that. Alright. So, in the next scene, we're going to actually try these headphones out and see how they work. Alright folks, before we be able to start to use these headphones, we first want to pair them to a device so we can actually use them. So in this particular case, I'm going to pair them to my smartphone here. In order for that, I have to pair it to the smartphone. And after reading the instruction booklet here, now I know how to hook it up. So let's go and do this. So the first thing we want to do, according to the instructions, is we want to put it in a power on state. Now, the middle button is the button you want to push to actually turn it on. You got to hold it down for like 5 seconds and make sure you see it come on. Oh, did y'all hear that? It actually talked. Oh wow, that's cool. Alright, well, as you can see, the lights going on flashing blue and red. That basically means it's not connected. So we're gonna connect it. I'm gonna leave it right here so you can see it. Alright, so now we're gonna pair it. I'm gonna go to our Bluetooth settings. Hit more. Well, on some phones you probably have to hit more settings or some other screen to get to the menu that actually shows the available Bluetooth devices. So that's what I'm doing right now. And there's our Bluetooth device we want to connect. Right there. That's the one we want to connect. So we're going to hit that. It's pairing. You might have just heard that, folks. It just literally said connected. That's cool. So we're ready to go. As a matter of fact, hold on. Let's try this out. Well, folks, it just occurred to me that the best way I can actually show off the sound quality of these headphones is to actually play something. And I couldn't play music earlier because I didn't want to, play someone else's music and, and make somebody upset on YouTube. So instead, I decided to go to TikTok. And it just so happens I have a TikTok channel. Check that out. That's me right there. Alright. So I'm basically going to play a couple of my videos that I have there on TikTok, and maybe you can be able to hear it. So what I'm going to do is basically place these headphones as close as I can to the microphone on this camera. Hopefully you can hear everything. So here we go. Couple of them. Of course, all these interesting videos are on my official TikTok channel there. So well, I think we're going to go outside and give these a try. See what they sound out in the real world. Well, folks, what can I say? Right now I'm just basically walking around with these headphones. The neat thing about these headphones is that you can listen around, still hear sounds and everything, but at the same time, you can make phone calls and like for instance, a few moments ago, I just literally talked to my wife with these on, and they sound really good. Played music on them, I even used Google by voice with these headphones. And it heard me really clearly too. Really, really clearly. So, this is cool. I like these headphones. You know what? I like these headphones so much that I'm gonna go ahead and provide an Amazon link so you better get these for yourself in the description below. So thank you for watching and have a great day.